Hi children, how are you? Welcome to Social Science classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In the previous class, we studied about the mechanism of the monsoon. Dear children, let us continue the topic, mechanism of the monsoon. To understand the mechanism of the monsoon, some facts are important. They are the differential heating and cooling of land and water, the shift or the position of intertropical convergence zone, the presence of high pressure area east of Madagascar, the Tibetan plateau gets intensively heated during summer, the movement of westerly jet streams to the north of Himalayas, and the presence of the tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during summer season. Dear students, apart from these conditions, the changes in the pressure conditions over the southern oceans also affect the monsoon. Normally, when the tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experience high pressure, the tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experience high pressure, and the tropical eastern Indian Ocean experience low pressure. But in certain years, the East Pacific Ocean experience low pressure and the East Indian Ocean experience high pressure. This periodic change in the pressure condition is known as Southern Oscillation or SO. So what is Southern Oscillation? The periodic change in the pressure condition in Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean is known as Southern Oscillation or SO. Next one, the difference in pressure over Tahiti in Pacific Ocean and the Darwin in Northern Australia in Indian Ocean is computed to predict the intensity of the monsoon. If the pressure differences were negative, it would mean average, below average rainfall and late monsoon. If the pressure differences is negative, it would mean below average, means very less rainfall and late monsoon. Dear children, a feature connected with the Southern Oscillation is the El Nino. El Nino. What is El Nino? It is a phenomenon in which a warm ocean current, that flows past the Peruvian coast in place of the cold ocean current. A warm ocean current that flows past the Peruvian coast in the place of the cold Peruvian current every 2 to 5 years. After every 2 to 5 years, a warm ocean current that flows past the Peruvian coast in place of the cold Peruvian current. The changes in the pressure conditions are connected to the El Nino. So the Southern Oscillation is connected to the El Nino. Hence, the phenomena is referred to as El Nino Southern Oscillation. So what is El Nino Southern Oscillation? A warm ocean current that flows past the Peruvian coast in the place of cold Peruvian current every 2 to 5 years. So this changes in the pressure condition is connected to the El Nino. Hence, it is referred as El Nino Southern Oscillation. Dear children, El Nino is a Spanish word meaning the child and refers to the baby Christ, as this current starts flowing during the Christmas. So El Nino is a Spanish word meaning the child, that means the baby Christ, because this current starts flowing during which season? The Christmas season. The presence of the El Nino leads to an increase in the sea surface temperatures and weakening of the trade wind in this region. So the presence of the El Nino leads to an increase in the sea surface temperatures and weakening of the trade wind in this region. Dear children, today we have studied about the Southern Oscillation and El Nino. URL related to this topic is attached. Watch the URL. Notes and test question are also attached. Attempt the test paper. We can meet in the next session. Bye children.